Good afternoon everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have installed the exhaust and it's not too loud. It's perfect for this bike. This exhaust was on my street triple and I'll just show you the walk around of it. Later on I would show you the sound note. Right now I'm not sure if it is capturing the sound note or not, but yes, it is smooth. It is performing well than earlier. So reached home, ending this video over here. I hope you like my videos. If you like, just do hit the like button and also do subscribe to my channel for future updates. Bye bye, ending it over here.